Saving a scan in multiple versions. Save time and ensure that any additional versions of your scanned original are exact copies, only with changes to settings. In this example, an original was scanned with the 3D effect set to +100, and we want the file name to reflect the settings. Tap Output and change the file name. Tap the Now Active Save button and notice how the file name changes. However, we would also like a file with the same scan, but with another 3D effect value. And instead of scanning the original again, we simply change the parameters and save the file with a new name. Tap the 3D effect button and move the slider to +50. Tap Output and change the file name. And tap Save. Again, you'll notice the file name change. Note that changes to the 3D settings can only be made right after scanning. Once the file has been closed, the additional 3D information is deleted. All other changes can be made and saved also after the file is closed and reopened.